With IT mate and a court appearance by a central figure linked to the Delphi murders. For the first time, we're hearing from Keegan Kline since his arrest on child porn charges back in 2020. IT mate's Richard Essex is following this story for us.
Keegan Kline appeared in court via Zoom for the first of two pretrial conference hearings for a trial that starts next year.
We can't show you what happened behind the big wooden doors that lead into the Miami County Circuit Courtroom. Cameras are generally not allowed in Indiana courtrooms during legal proceedings. What we did see is Keegan Kline for the first time since his arrest in 2020. Kline is accused of using a fake social media profile, Anthony Shots, to solicit explicit pictures from at least 15 girls. He faces 30 child porn-related charges. One of those girls who communicated with Kline via the fake social media profile is Liberty German. The two had communicated together the day that she was murdered. She had discussions on meeting him. Wish TV's news-gathering partner, podcaster Anya Kane and Kevin Greenlee of the podcast Murder Sheet are following this case closely. Seeing Kline in court today, did you expect him to say anything?
No, I think we were expecting him to be represented by his attorney and just sort of stay silent, and that's exactly what he did. He was very closed-mouthed, very still on the video monitor.
In court today, lawyers for both sides agreed they needed some time for discovery or the examination of evidence. Greenlee is a lawyer. What do you think they still need to be taking a look at?
Basically, I imagine that there is a ton of material on Keegan Kline's devices. Even just a single gigabyte of material amounts to thousands and thousands of printed pages. So there's a great deal to go through.
The last picture we have of Kline came from the Miami County Sheriff's Office in 2020. Today, we saw a much different man. His head is shaved and he has grown a beard. For the past 2 years, he's been kept behind the brick walls of the Miami County Jail. Indiana State Police did take custody of him for a short time earlier this summer for further questioning. State Police have not confirmed a 5-week search of the Wabash River in Peru is related to that questioning. IT Mate is told that Kline may be working on a deal in exchange for information related to the Delphi murders.
The next time we expect to see Kline in court will be December 22nd for the next pretrial conference hearing. The judge has set a January date for the trial. In Miami County, Richard Essex, Wish TV, IT Mate.